Are you looking for a new, easier way to light your content? Well, look no further, because Hobolite's got you covered. You heard me right. Hobolite just dropped 3 new portable continuous LED lights to their collection: the Pro, Avant, and Mini. Perfect for virtually any lighting application, these award-winning lights are just begging to be a part of your next project. Let's take a look. Sporting environmentally friendly faux leather and a classic retro design, Hobolite stand out from the crowd in terms of look. It isn't just for show though, as the people behind this design describe it as a look by artists for artists. We also know looks aren't everything. Another huge detail of note here is portability and output. These lights put the light in lightweight, and their cases are light, compact, and fit snug right over the shoulder. As a result of this, the lights themselves are small as well, with the biggest one, the Pro, being 7 by 6.5 by 12.3 inches in dimension. When was the last time you saw a 300-watt light that small? Each light comes with its own V-mount battery with a range of up to 210 to over 1,000 minutes of runtime depending on usage. On the technical side of things, the 3 lights all feature strong output ranges of between 2700 and 6500 Kelvin, with the Pro, Avant, and Mini offering 300, 100, and 20 watts of power respectively. Each light comes with 2 knobs for control over brightness and color temperature, accompanied by a bright, high-contrast LCD screen. But if you'd rather adjust settings from the comfort of your chair, all of these lights can be controlled through the Hobolite app. More on that in just a sec. The lights also include barn door and softbox attachments, adjustable lenses, stands, adapters, as well as honeycomb and color filters. So now that we've talked about what these lights are capable of, it's time to show off how cool they really are. Matter of fact, you've been seeing them in action this whole time, as we've lit our studio for this video with Hobolite. As you can see, they're doing a superb job of lighting me, but just to show some of the different kinds of ways you can use these lights, we decided to do some shooting with them here in our studio as well as out on the streets of New York City. In both instances, the lights really prove their versatility and ease of use. We were really impressed with how well they worked outside, really coming through for us on a cloudy day. We loved how easy it was to change setups and attach necessary accessories such as barn doors, lanterns, or softboxes. And the built-in lens helps focus the output and works like a reflector. Battery power was also of no concern given how long Hobolite's V-mounts last, not to mention the durable charge the lights themselves hold. And getting the lights from one area to the next was as seamless as can be thanks to the compact and portable carrying cases. Certain accessories like the color filters are magnetized, so putting them on or switching them out took no time at all either. But personally, my favorite feature was how easy it was to adjust settings remotely. The Pros come with a detachable control panel, so you can adjust their brightness and color temperature from anywhere on set. Even more impressive is the ability to control all of your Hobolites from one device through the app. The app also lets you designate your lights to different groups or save specific settings as scenes if you need to pick up where you left off or if you like to use the same kinds of lighting setups in your projects. So as you can see, these lights really do speak for themselves, not only in terms of their versatility, but in their design and portability as well. There's really no limit to what you can do with Hobolite. As we've demonstrated, they're perfect for everything from lighting your next short film, photo shoot, or even just giving yourself a little extra fill for your next Zoom meeting. But what do you think? What kinds of situations do you see yourself using these lights in? Be sure to let us know in the comments below. I'm Sam with B&H, and I'll see you next time.